Oh, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. All right. I don't recall seeing the join premium after joining. Hold on, boys. I got a quick problem to fix real quick. Ah, damn. Angus. Our newest premium member, Angus. All right, hold up. All right. Wait, hold on, bro. Why is this a background option? All right. Ugh. Holy shit, that scared the fuck out of me. Good lord. All right. All right, baby. We want to pass this eval. Today's the day. Pass the eval with the bot today, boys. Well, pass eval number 2 and 3, actually. Or sorry, 3. Pass 1. And then next week we start seeing how the bot does on the funded. I think you're only going to need like two contracts, 3 contracts max. Hold up here. I think I fixed their fucking blind. Okay. Okay, let me send this out. All right, can y'all go do me a favor and send go drop a little reaction in the free plays? Go drop some reactions in the free plays, please, 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 please. I haven't asked in a while. I got the boss man's looking over me today. Do you think I should buy an eval since I'm waiting for a payout on my funded, or risk my funded before my payout? Nope, don't do that. Buy a new eval. Don't risk. Don't trade. Never trade while you're in the middle of a payout. Never. It can just always do more harm than good. There's no reason not to wait. No reason to mess it up, because they can basically, like, they can, if you make a bad trade, they can take the payout back pretty much. Okay, let me check on one more thing. Hey. And that's pretty nice. Got a few people over here in the live. Let me check the TikTok real quick. Yeah, I would at least open a new one. I don't think opening a new one's has any harm, but CK. Yeah, you can also use code CATT, CATT, 2 T's. CATT. Was that the Android timer? That's funny. No. On Lucid, you can hook it up to TradingView. Yes, you can hook Lucid accounts up to TradingView if you do it through the, not Rhythmic, but whatever the other one is, where you go through TradeVacate or NinjaTrader. I think it's a little bit easier through TradeC, but TradeC has also had some issues. So definitely personal preference on that. But I think TradeC had the nicer UI. And the only thing I don't like about the one thing I don't like about what am I saying? The one thing I don't like about TradingView is the candles. They're not delayed, but they have like slower ticks. So it looks like your candles are jumping. I'm just not a fan of that. Just something psychological is like, oh, all right. Rip. But all right. And also for all you group coaching guys, we got our call tonight at 7 to 8 p.m. Central. I'll send out another little message for that, but we're going to start to dive into things, probably honestly take a little bit of a step back, take a step forward. I'm going to kind of run over kind of the basics the next couple of days, just so we have a firm understanding of at least the way that I look at it. So, oh my God. Griff's long dogging.
What?
Griffey's long dogging. Had to hide the toes from Nav. Need to mention it on stream. Remember, that's what I talked about. Otherwise, there's no point in us paying for the multi-stream. You know, it's good though. Had to. It did it twice. Wait, where did That's hilarious. I see. What will the market give us today? Oh man, dude. Would anyone possibly want to help me with the inputting of the bot? Basically helping me input what the bot's plays are so that we can stay up to date on performance. It's not too hard, but I low-key be forgetting. If anybody does want to help, I'll give you the software, or I'll send you over this software. All you have to do is take a screenshot of it and put it. Oh, well, hold on. Yeah, all you have to do is take a screenshot of it and put it in here, and then it loads up all the information for the most part, and then you just got to fill in the blanks. But I'm behind on trades right now, so I got to keep it moving. PMI in 10 minutes. Yeah, I bet. I normally do the flex accounts. The flex accounts are my favorite. Let's see. Start to form. I really actually didn't look too well at overnight and whatnot. Big old 1 hour gap. Could definitely see us sweeping these lows and then kind of pressing back up to at least highs. Let me grab this, damn it. I noticed yesterday evening's gold alert should have got stopped out, but the main alert didn't come. I was curious. Last night's evening's gold alert should have gotten stopped out, but the alert didn't come. Oh. Well, let me check it out. No, last night's was a fucking banger, bro. Last night's alert was a fucking banger. Yeah, yeah. No, last night's was a fucking killer, dude. Did the alert send correctly? Hold on, let me go look. Yeah, last night's gold. Yeah, after TP2, when you go break even, there's no reason to send a stop loss because you're not gonna get stopped out at the stop loss. You're gonna get stopped out at break even. But yeah, like something like, I mean, whether you got your entry here or even after TP1, like you never really went into drawdown ever. So, but yeah, I'll look at that to see if there's anything else. But let's see how we react to this. I got gifted a sub. Lol, what does that mean? Gifted a sub on what? bro, boost the server, bro. I don't know how to do this shit. Or server booster on kick. What are you doing on kick? All right, let's see how we react here. It hit 43.87 before TP1, I believe. I'd have to go back and look because this is the alert that we got yesterday. This yellow one right here. I don't really see how it could have. Yeah, it sends the alert right here at 4:05. You said stop loss was 4387. Well then wait, what? So what? Hold on, let me just check the whole alert. $4,377. What? What? Oh, right, because it'd be on the 5-minute. Okay, so all right, so you take your entry right here. Your stop loss is 4387. Oh, so I guess it technically did. It hit like right on the nose. 4,387,685. Bro, it was literally like centimeters away. That's why. Price came up to 4,387,398, and the stop loss was 4,387,685. So you would have not been, you would have stayed in that play by the hair on your chinny chin chin. But I see what you mean. Thank you for pointing that out. I'll take a closer look at it because it probably should have. Yeah. I don't know. And the fact that it still says NT, I literally can't. I've tried to like look it up, and I literally can't find NT anywhere in the code, but yet it still says entry or says NT. Like I literally went through and I fixed them all. It literally says entry on all of them. So I don't know what the deal is. Like, this one doesn't even say entry. NQ swap lows. ES didn't. Yes, it did, Poppy. Yes, it did, Dingus. This boy over here spreading false information. Yeah, bro, they're doing more betting on coin flips than learning how to trade. Yeah, it's just complete brain rot. It's just complete brain rot. All right, we can see something coming here soon. Just need to see a little bit more of a push up here. Anything but trading. Okay, so we saw about 150 point move on orb. Not bad. Actually, saw about a 200 point move on orb. All right, we need to be a little cognitive about a fair value gap here, or yeah, really seeing a fair value gap here because that could kind of put our BB model into play. All right, let's see here. All right, there's a nice little rejection here. All right, let's see what we see, baby. All right, I do like this short entry here. Once this candle closes, hopefully it doesn't dump too much. If you guys want to take an entry for 3 contracts here, I'm fine with that. The rest of it, damn, why are we always dumping like this? Oh, you're dumping way too hard, man. All right. But I do like this entry. If you guys do want to jump into some small shorts on MNQ, I'm going to jump into 3 here. So I'm in 3 shorts on MNQ. All right, let's see this push down, baby. Let's go. There we are. I like that. I like that. Hell yeah. All right, baby. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. So I got my entry right here. Stop loss is a little bit farther than what I'd like, but we still have about a 3.5, which I'm still fine with. All right. I like this re-entry too. If you guys didn't get in, this is a decent spot to re-entry or to get an entry. Like I said, I'm in right now. I'm probably gonna I'm gonna leave what I got. But I am in. I want to see the orb break lower. my target is that TP2 right now. That would pass my account, so I'm not too worried about getting much more than that. All right, I'm going to put a buy limit for 2 at my TP1, mainly because I need, I'm only going to need a couple hundred more to pass this account in full. But everyone should be up. I mean, I'm up 25 points right now, or I think a little bit more than that. Oh, I'm up 45 points. Holy shit. Never mind. We're moving good today. TP1's about to get hit, and right there, TP1 was just hit. I took a trimmed 2 of my 5, and I'm still looking for some more downside here. I'm not going to go break even quite yet. But I am going to bring my break even to the high of this wick, so 228. But y'all are pretty quiet today, but I'm pretty sure we just smacked a 40-pointer and counting. So not a little y'all being shy or something. Y'all being shy. There you go, D-Dot. There you go. Yeah, make sure you guys are just taking a trim here. That was 40 points. That's plenty right there. I do think that we are going to press lower, but make sure that you are taking a trim to lock something in. We have a nice little 2-minute gap that we could be tapping into. I'm going to delete this real quick, but we do have a nice little 2-minute gap that we're tapping into here. A really tiny one, but could be valid, so worth a look. We might want to come all the way back in and retest, but yeah, off the rejection of that last 2 minute, I like that. That was good. That's a good entry. As long as this 5-minute doesn't fully engulf, I'll stay in this play. If this 5-minute fully engulfs, I'm gonna exit for pretty much break even, and then just take a re-entry if we can see it. But if we get a bullish engulfing 5-minute, I don't know if I'll stay in here. I'll take my TP1 for 45 points, a nice little $400, and walk for now. But them chip shots are just so easy with this fucking bot, bro. Like once I'm funded, bro, $150 is so brain dead with this fucking bot. Like it's just too easy. All right, let's see this 5-minute dump. Come on, push down. Hey. All right. Like I said, I'm going to take my exit at about break even if this 5-minute candle closes above. If this 5-minute candle closes above 181, 24,181, I'm going to take an exit. If not, I'll stay in. My stop loss is still at that top wick. Yes, we're in puts. We already hit TP1, so don't chase here. We might be able to get a re-entry, but don't chase. Yes, push down. Yes, push down. Yes, push down. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, cool. Well, I'm staying in. I'm staying in. Oh. Ooh. I do really like this play. I'd also really like this play just to run down, hit TP2, and pass both of these evals for me. The Buzzbot has been killing it. What is my RR over here? Oh, what do you know? BuzzBot accounts got a win rate of about 71 and 81% respectively across 2 accounts. Who would have thought? Oh, wait. That might have been what it was. Wait, why did PMI come out at 845? Not 9. You have 3 NQs? You're fucking crazy. You better cut that shit at break even, bro. If you got 3 NQs, you should have taken TP at TP1. Respectfully. I'm honestly not loving this 5 minute here, but we'll see it through. Like I said, my stop loss is now at the candle wick high. So my stop loss is at this wick high on the 2 minute. I've already locked in $226 in profit. This stop loss is about 190. So I'm willing to take that loss. Or well, I'm willing to break even on this trade because I think it looks good. But this 5 minute is also kind of pressing up, so we could also see it push up. Looks like there's some indecision, but I'll risk a little bit here to go break even pretty much. That's why I like taking the trends. You can, oh my God. Well, I'm about to get stopped out here. What was that? Why did that teleport up like that? That was the weirdest candle I've ever seen. Yeesh. That was odd. I'm still about break even here. I literally didn't get stopped out by 1 tick. I mean, look at that. Getting close to blowing the account. We just took a winning trade. What do you? I don't understand how you guys are doing this. Like, you should either be broken even or win. Hey, happy birthday, brother. Yeah, shoot me a DM. I'll work with you on something. Hell yeah. Happy birthday, bro. You and Tara are almost birthday twins. Birthday twins. Okay. Okay. I like this rejection. I do. This 3 minute looks really good. Still got a minute left on this 3 minute. Hopefully we can get some volatility now to the downside. Yeah, bro. 3 contracts of NQ. Your account's just blown. Like, bro, all it takes is like my stop loss is staying at this wick high. That 3 minute looked good. Now we're getting bought up. This 2 minute looks kind of bullish. 5 minute looks decently bullish. Not the biggest fan, but like I said, I'll take my $40 win. I'll take my $40 win. Big mush. God, I really want to see us push out of this fucking zone, dude. Really do. I was watching for the BB model, but we still haven't gotten a fair value gap of any sorts. Not even on the 1 minute. All right, we're probably going to get stopped out on this next candle. Realistically. Yeah. All right, I'm stopped out there. $46 win, baby. $46 win. Anticlimactic as fuck. Anticlimactic. But hey, $46 is $46 that I didn't have prior to this trade. I'm eternally grateful for my $46. All right. I would recommend everybody getting out here too. I mean, we could push back down out of here, but there's no point to risk the extra points here. If we get another rejection out, we can definitely look for something, but it's kind of risk on right now. All right. Yeah, the market is like, I don't know. It's one of those days where it's like you have a big choppy range. Like, I mean, we got a 200-point orb right here. Unfunded is drawdown what you can lose in a day or all time. It's all time. You should realistically set your own drawdown limits. I'm going to be honest with you. Yeah, 2K for the 50 guys. But once you get funded, your goal should be to make 4K so that you have a 4K drawdown. Because if you got 4K in drawdown, I mean, that means that you can withdraw a good bit. How mad do you get when people ask you questions that can get answered on ChatGPT? I don't get mad. I don't know. That's a great question. Sometimes I am treated as Google, which is fine. The only time it pisses me off is just like when a lot of the answers that I give, like it's just there's no way I could give as good of an answer as ChatGPT. Like that's the only problem I have with it is like I'm fine to answer the question, but you're gonna get a lesser answer than ChatGPT. It's just gonna give you more information. Like it's just how it works. That's the only thing. I just think that in that category, ChatGPT is a better resource. Now, if you want to ask me about the fucking buzzbot that ChatGPT knows nothing about, then I'm your guy. But yeah, it doesn't piss me off. It doesn't piss me off. If anything, it's a little funny. My boy D-Dot. Yeah, bro. I mean, dude, using AI to learn is just so easy, bro. It's so easy. No matter how you learn, you can make a tool that like you can literally make an app that helps you learn better. You can make a fucking code that helps you learn better. You can just learn by reading the text. You can have it read to you. Like if you don't use AI, you're gonna get left behind. Bro, that's what I put out. Literally I made a video last night. It'll be out on Wednesday. And one of my bigger talking points is how to use or leveraging AI to your advantage. It's literally so fucking easy, bro. I mean, you can learn anything, bro. Anything. I don't know how to code. I don't know how to make a fucking standalone HTML file that I can run on a Google, that tracks my trades. I don't know how to do that, but I figured it out because all you have to do is ask. Exactly, bro. Like you can just build anything. You just make and build anything. And it's fun as fuck. I mean, like you went from building Legos to building entire apps. Like it's pretty sick. Like and like it's actually like it's a great skill, bro. Like that's what my dad does for work for the most part. Essentially just an AI engineer. He does much more than that, but condensed down. See, so what is this? Do I have like a trailing stop loss? All right, let me try and widen this a little bit. We'll go 15 points. I think it's because my stop loss is too close. Let's see this here. Yeah, so this was okay. Yeah. Okay. Or wait, it would have been fine. I don't even fucking. I'll figure that shit out. We are still rejecting out of the. We are still rejecting out, to be honest with you. But the. Oh, you already said that. No. No. Yeah, it's looking pretty slow. I'll probably stay on until about 9:30. Reminder, guys, I will not be live tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm driving to Tennessee. Ain't that right, Kinsey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, D-Dot, if you want, I'll give you permissions, right? I have no issue. I have no problem with that. Yeah, I got no problem with that. I'm pretty sure I can just open up the stage. I come back, all you guys are millionaires overnight. D-Dot hits like a fucking 29-1 RR. Do they? Do that. Okay, but I mean, yeah. I'm gonna DM you and answer in about 2 hours. Yeah, I mean, I won't be trading, so the boys are counting on you, bro. I think I am gonna trade. I think tomorrow. I think we're gonna pull over to a little coffee shop, but I don't think going live from my Mac in a coffee shop will work very well.
Hi, Doug.
What's up? Low key trading with a view. Yeah, good one, pal. Good one. All right, no one should be in this trade still, so the stop loss doesn't matter. No one should be in this trade. I will be trading with a view. Dead ass. That's what I mean. Button smashing. Bro, yo, D-Dot, I'm gonna have to take a picture of me trading with a view, and that will be the caption on Instagram. Oh, trading with a view. Exactly, bro. I mean, that's why I'm taking the fucking trip, bro. And then look, think about it. Y'all got to think about it like this. If y'all actually buy into trading, like if trading actually starts, you know, if you can actually buy in and become profitable, you get your little LLC for your business or for your, you know, trading business, right? Then you can write off everything. Gas, hotels, and then also pay for it with trading. That's the only reason you're going, Kinsey, is just because I got to pay out.
Shut up.
Not because I fuck with you, but simply because I got to pay out. Yeah, I'm actually going to have negative income this year because I'm just writing off way too many evals. Not, well, more or less the problem would be buying too many evals. I don't know, if I play my cards right, I can start making 10K a month by the end of the month. Oh, 10K a week by the end of the month? Holy fuck. Chillax, young thug. I was starting to do, wait, so does that count as a win or a loss? That's so dumb, bro. That's so dumb. You take a trim for profit and then sell a little bit for a loss. I came out up $45 on that and it counted as a loss. Man, no, it's not a pretty trade, but still dumb. Still dumb. That's dumb. But yeah, next week. So I got 2 more evals. One eval I could pass today with a good trade. The other eval I could pass in 2 days. Yeah, I would need 700 today, and then I could pass tomorrow. But basically, I'm trying to get fully allocated. This is my full plan for the BuzzBot. Get fully allocated on Top Step. Trade 1 funded account all the way up to a payout, then link the second, then get a payout on 2, then link the third, get a payout on 3, link the fourth, get a payout on 4, 5, be max allocated truly. But I plan to take it slow because I want to see how it goes. I want to see how it goes, and also I'm in no rush. Like, I really haven't even been pressing futures. I haven't been pressing trading, but it's also helped with my psychology, just not worrying about like, not really worrying about performance in areas of like how much I'm making a week. It's just like where my trade's high quality. Like that's all I care about. Yeah, exactly. So I think what I'm gonna do next week is hopefully I can pass another one of these evals. I'll have 2. And then while this code is up for the like 25% off, I think I'm just gonna grind up another eval, the 4th and 5th evals with the funded account. Yeah, see, that's the thing. I just want to make sure that the risk, I need to make sure that the risk with the BuzzBot is really tight, or really, just really, really good. And I think that if I were to go with 3 cons, like, let's see, if I were to take 3 cons and just take that trade from entry down to TP1 that we took, 9.6, 56 points times $2 a point. Yeah, it's $300, bro. Like just 3 contracts, $300. Done. I'm headed to Nashville with my girl this May. If you got any recs, you get. Yeah, I will for sure. We'll only be there for one night and then the next morning. But yeah, I'll let you know. I plan to find some decent spots. Hopefully. Upside down, boy, you turn me inside out, around my hound. All right. Hold up.
Make your poopy.
Nice. Everyone, fucking 47 people just heard you say that. All right, let's look at this shit. Bro, why they give me the Dookie Rex, bro? What the fuck? What the fucking lord, what the fuck? Oh my god, bro. Definitely never reverse split a day in the life. Oh shit, when did that happen? When did that happen, man? Upside down, boy, you turn me inside out, around and round. Oh, what do we reject out? We have a gap up here or something? No. What do we reject? Okay. We rejected after hitting stop loss. That's what happened. Duh. Round and round, upside down. Boy, you turn me. Oh, there's a 5-minute gap right here that we just tapped into. Let's see what we got here. Upside down, boy, you turn me. Dun dun.
baby.
I want to see price possibly push down here. Looks like we want to. Jeez. Big dog. Upside down. Buzz that pick on IG fire with the bike on. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Bro, you know what we need to do? I've low-key been kind of fiending to do this. Someone had mentioned it the other